We'll guide you through how to sync your Dropbox folder effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, you need to download and install the Dropbox desktop application if you haven't already. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting Install Dropbox. Follow the prompts to download and install the app on your computer. After installation, sign in to the Dropbox desktop app with your account details. Now, here's the key step. Open the Dropbox app. You'll see a Dropbox icon in your system tray or menu bar, depending on whether you're using Windows or Mac. Click on this icon, then click on the gear icon or settings menu. From here, click your avatar or initials, then go to Preferences. In the Preferences window, navigate to the Sync tab. Here, you'll see an option called Selective Sync. Click on it to choose which folders you want to sync to your computer. You can check or uncheck the boxes next to the folders you want or don't want to sync. Once you've made your selections, click Update. Dropbox will now sync the selected folders to your computer. This means that any changes you make in these folders on your computer will automatically update on Dropbox, and vice versa. It's an efficient way to ensure you have access to your important files both online and offline. Remember, syncing large folders might take some time depending on your internet speed. So just be patient. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.